say, Dizzy, Dizzy, hello, hello, here is Joe. Hello, hello,
Where?
Deliveries to you. Let's make a sign to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Hello, I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. Yes, Ozzy, I'm going to grow a flower for Ashling. It's a magic flower from magic seeds.
Hello, Joe. Hi, Ozzy.
Hello, Ashling. I'm going to grow you a flower.
Oh, thank you, Joe. I love flowers.
Look at this.
Wow, Joe. That's lots of flowers, Joe. They're really nice.
I know.
But now it's time to work. Here are your deliveries. Today, Joe, you will be delivering gloves, a fork, and a green wheelbarrow to the vegetable garden. And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hello, Joe, it's Dara.
Dara and gardener Shauna are waiting for you. They will help you with your deliveries.
Good.
Good luck, Joe.
Let's go.
Hands up.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Dermot.
Where are you off to today?
Today, I'm going to the vegetable garden.
I've just come from the vegetable garden.
Good. Bye.
Bye.
Hands up. Hands up.
Where is Dara? Hello, Dara.
Hi.
Sit over there. Where is the garden?
Let's love sign. Garden. Garden. You sign. Garden. Good. Garden.
Where is the garden?
There.
Okay.
Johnny Silly.
Ho, ho.
Bye.
Hello, Joe. I'm Shauna.
Hello, I'm Joe.
I'm Dara.
Today is going to be a good day. We're going pulling potatoes and then we're going to sell them.
Aw, I love potatoes. I eat lots of potatoes.
Let's love sign. Potato. Potato. You sign. Potato. Good. Potato.
Aw, this is so exciting. I can't wait to eat this potato.
Stop. We need to cook the potatoes before we eat them.
Oh, I knew that.
Before we touch anything, we need to put on our gardening gloves.
Oh, my first delivery. Wait here. Gloves!
Stop. They're children's gloves.
Oh. Wait here. They fit like a glove. Now.
Stop. We need a fork.
Yes! Wait here.
Joe, that fork is too small. We need a bigger fork.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing. But there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Let's pull the potatoes. Potato. Oh, stop!
Ow.
Potato.
Yes, Mama.
This is our pop-up shop.
What do people buy here?
It's good.
Vegetables.
Let's love sign. Vegetables. Vegetables. U sign. Vegetables. Good. Vegetables.
People will come to buy
Bye.
potatoes,
Yes, potatoes.
but I need a wheelbarrow.
Oh, but I'm so tired. Will you help me?
Yeah.
Oh. Dara? A green wheelbarrow? You are such a good delivery man. My hat. Well, thank you for your help, Dara. But it's time to go. Bye.
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 Good job.